Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making strawberry cheesecake cups. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need strawberries, graham crackers, cream cheese, vanilla, heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and granulated sugar. We're going to begin by cutting off the stems of our strawberries and then dicing them. After dicing our strawberries, we're going to place them in a ziploc bag and add a half cup of granulated sugar. Shake until all the strawberries are coated with sugar and then place it in the refrigerator for later. Next, crush 1 pack of graham crackers with a rolling pin. In a bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and beat with a whisk or a mixer until it thickens. Place your whipped cream in the fridge while you work on the next step. In another bowl, add 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and mix. Add your cream cheese mixture into the bowl with your whipped cream. Mix and fold in well. In a cup, add the crushed graham crackers and press it down. Using a piping bag, add a layer of cream cheese mixture and smooth it out. Next, add a layer of strawberries. Add another layer of cream cheese. Lastly, top with more strawberries. And there you have it, strawberry cheesecake cups. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.